Hi, industry friends and colleagues. I'm Yen, and I'm part of the organizing committee of Singapore Mines Forum this year. Team, the Great Reset, we envision an event that brings the whole of the industry, including yourself, on a journey with us. This journey will start off by allowing you the best chance to reconnect with everyone in the industry, not just here in Singapore, but regionally. Secondly, you will also have the chance to sit into thought-provoking sessions hosted by a curated list of thought leaders in the industry that will help you reimagine the future of mines, as well as what it means for your business. Enjoy early bird rate before 31st May and leverage on the TIPIT grant to cover some of your costs. We hope to see you soon, and please register now at the link below. Thank you.